So the next question is, what is Okyo and what is Dainichikyo?
So again, Dainichikyo is one of the main inscription for the Shingon Buddhism. The book explain how people achieve the practice, and the goal is become a Buddha in the present time. So it tastes like the disciple asking the many questions to the Mahabharata Buddha, and then the Buddha answer for it. And we can learn from this the book how we have a practice as a priest in the ritual, what we should do in the general as a priest. We call it jisoto kyoso. So ritual, how the guidance for the ritual practice, the guidance for the general life. So this book explained these two mainly. So, and Okyo, we call it Sutra. Dainichikyo is also one of the Sutra, but there is many different sutras we are using currently. Heart Sutra is a very famous one. Hanya Shingyo, the Lotus Sutra, especially the definition is definition of Sutra is it's the teaching from Buddha. In these times, Buddha is Shakyamuni Buddha. Shakyamuni Buddha exists in the ancient time India, and he constructed the basic idea of the Buddhism, and then Buddhism eventually spread to the world, and each teaching became a different sect nowadays. So what Shakyamuni Buddha preached to people, disciple correct everything, record everything. And that's a teaching, guidance. People need to have it for their general life. So need to be understandable. So the sutra can be translated. So you can see the many different sutra, sometimes in English. Heart Sutra, it's very easy to find the translation, English translation on internet.